Welcome to this promotion video provided by Transfer. In this video, we provide an overview and a demonstration of cloud-based mail archiving service called ActiveVault SS. The first is dividing of search user. In other mail archiving service, the system administrator can access to all the emails, including the CEO's email, emails related to human resources issue, and many other confidential emails. Does your company's policy has any problem about this? By separating the searching right from the archive administrator, ActiveVault SS protects your important data. The archive administrator creates a search user. When creating the search user, the administrator can specify the retrieval range and the retrieval time for every search user. The second feature is asynchronous of account. Many of other archiving services need to keep the contract of resignee's email and archive account to keep resignee's archived data. This forces you to constantly increase the service cost. In ActiveVault SS, the archived data is not synchronized with the email account. So even if you delete the resignee's email account, the archived data is still held, and also you don't need to pay the cost of resignee's archiving account. The third is redelivery of archived emails. Even if a user deleted an important email message by mistake, the search user can search the mail on the archived date and redeliver it to the original owner. The fourth is easier migration. ActiveVault SS archives email in .eml file format, which is an open and standard format. So if you'd like to migrate your email data from other existing service to ActiveVault SS, or if you'd like to migrate from ActiveVault SS to other service, you can import or export the archived data with simple operation. Finally, the fifth is linkage with our outbound email security service called ActiveGate SS. ActiveGate SS prevents erroneous email sending and automatically encrypts the file attachment. ActiveVault SS archives both email body and file attachment before converting them. Well, we'd like to show the system configuration for Office 365 or Google Apps. As you see, ActiveVault SS does not intervene in both inbound and outbound email routes. For sending emails, an end user just sends an email message from Office 365 or Google Apps as it is. In case of Google Apps, by setting the sending routine, the email messages are copied and archived to ActiveVault SS. In case of Office 365, the email is archived to ActiveVault SS by setting the sending connector. How about receiving mails? Receiving emails reach Office 365 or Google Apps directly from the internet. In case of Google Apps, by setting the receiving routine, the email messages are copied and archived to ActiveVault SS. And in case of Office 365, our service adopts the journal function. So all emails, including both internal and external destinations, are archived to ActiveVault SS. Then, I'd like to compare our ActiveVault SS with Google Apps Vault. The first comparison point is the resignee's email account. ActiveVault SS is not involved in account management, so does not require to keep both extra email and archive account for resignees and enables you to reduce the service cost. In addition, ActiveVault SS keyword search support 4 languages. Not only the email body, but also the contents of file attachment is targeted to the search. While in Google Apps Vault, you can search by keyword only in case of text file. And ActiveVault SS allows you to select the storage period from 1 year, 7 years, or 10 years. Well, I'd like to show a demonstration. I log into the System Administrator interface. In this System Administrator interface, the administrator can create a search user. Enter the search user ID and the password and manage the search users. The most important point is the search target. If you assign the right to search all emails for a search user, of course he will be able to search all the emails, including the CEO's emails and the email related to human resources issue. But if you'd like to allow a search user to search some specific person's email, for example, register only one email address, Tom's email address, this search user can only search Tom's email. In addition, the administrator can create a group and restrict the IP address to log into the search user interface. So if you register your company's global IP address here, this search user only can search on the company's premises. Also, the administrator can specify the search period, date, and hour. For example, allows to search only 1 week from today, or allows to search only within the specified time period. There is another important role for the administrator: history management. Login history. When and who did log in, which IP did he log in from, all logs has been recorded. Search history. When and who did search, which IP did he search from, the administrator can check the log. In addition, the administrator's operations are also recorded. On the property page, the administrator can also set up the notice emails. For example, when a search user logged in, when a search user failed to log in, and when a search user searched any emails, the notice email can be sent to the administrator. Well, I will log into the search user's interface with using the search user ID and the password I created earlier. First, select the received period. If you do not narrow the period, select all, and enter an email address or a keyword and click the search button. The search results are listed below. Click the subject to see the detail of the email. Select View Source. You can check all the header information. Envelope from and envelope to are shown. So you find the emails which were sent or received with the BCC are also archived. And clicking this download button enables you to download and save this email on your local environment. Or clicking this Deliver button enables you to redeliver this email to the original owner. When redelivering an email, you can select the date header, whether to change the current date or keep the original date. At the audit, for example, when a malicious email was found, this email can be redelivered to a specific address. Also, you can insert a keyword into the top of the subject when redelivering. Now I operate it one by one. Of course, you can store or redeliver multiple emails together. If you save emails in bulk, you can compact them to zip or tar. CSV and Excel file format are also available. And you can redeliver multiple emails together like this. Well, finally, I'd like to perform advanced search. This advanced search allows to specify an email address or domain and extract emails which match this specific condition, or extract all the emails received and sent with company A and company B. In addition, you can select the searching condition and specify a keyword in a subject, a keyword in an email body, the presence of file attachments, the file name, the extension of file attachment, and the message ID as trigger for searching emails. I introduced the feature of ActiveVault SS at a run. I will hope that you will be interested in our service. If you have any question or need further information, please contact us. Thank you for watching.